Hi peeps, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carly Cosmos and today I've got some things to clear up. So my Instagram makes it look like I live off a strict diet of donuts, cakes, and anything sugar related. And the amount of comments I've gotten that just say diabetes in caps locks is really unsettling and also rude, but I just thought I would show you guys what I actually eat in a day. As you know, Instagram is not real life. I do not eat 7 pounds of M&Ms on a daily basis. I don't eat donuts for breakfast, and I try my best to be as healthy as possible. So I actually just started a new diet on top of all of my other intolerances, so I'm super fun at parties and I'm great to bring along because I literally just drink water and eat spinach. But actually, I am lactose intolerant, I'm gluten-free, vegetarian, and most recently, keto. Really fun at parties, like I said. So when I started this new chapter in my life of lactose intolerance, gluten-free, vegetarian, keto, I was like, truly, I can't eat anything. Like, what am I gonna eat? So yes, it does limit me. Like, I can't go to restaurants freely. I really gotta do my research, and I'm like that annoying person who's like, I have to like substitute basically everything off this menu, but we make it work. So I've been cooking a lot more at home, baking a lot more at home to really get me through the weeks. And I've only been doing this for about a week and a half, but I feel a difference. Like, it's kind of weird. At first I had like the keto flu. I don't know if you guys know about that, but when you've started this new ketogenic diet, your body just feels basically icky. I was feeling really hungry, really tired, really grumpy, but once you kind of get over that, I feel like my brain is cleared. I have so much more energy. I just like feel really good about myself, you know? If you guys don't know what the keto diet is, essentially it is a high-fat, low-carb, low-sugar diet. So no donuts for breakfast anymore. So through all the hardships and drama it's brought to my life, it's brought a lot of happiness as well. So I'm gonna bring you along on a typical day in my life and my eating habits. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. So I'm starting off this morning with some Earl Grey tea. I usually have this every morning in like the cutest mug ever. And I also chug a lot of water, so I'll have like 2 to 3 cups of water before I leave for the day. And as you see, I'm still trying to make this video aesthetic. Look at all the pink. I truly cannot help myself. For breakfast, I'm super simple. I have this like every day. I have 2 over easy eggs, sliced tomato, and usually half an avocado, but I didn't have any in my fridge, so this is it for this morning. On a keto diet, you want like high fat, so I truly do eat as much avocado as possible. Okay, for my snack today, I've decided to go with some almonds. These are my go-to for a quick snack, on the go sort of thing. Okay, so this is 0% aesthetic, but I'm feeling like a green power smoothie today. So I've got flax seeds, I have half an avocado, I've got my spinach, matcha, which is great. This one's keto friendly. There's no sugar in it and no whatever else I can't have, so that's great. And I have my silk almond unsweetened original milk and some ice cubes, and blend that all up, and then boom, ready to go. Of course, I spill it absolutely everywhere. Yes. This is like the perfect shade of puke green. Okay, not gonna lie, that was actually really good. So, worth it spilling all over my entire body. Also, excuse me, these are my favorite water, sparkling water, like ever. Like, I can drink like 15,000 of these a day and they still feel like a treat. Like, why? Maybe it's because it's pink, but it honestly tastes so freaking good. So since it's a weekend, I'm gonna make my yogurt bowl that I usually take to work with me. I'm just gonna make it at home today and just chill. This is my favorite plant-based yogurt. It's the Silk Cultured Coconut and Vanilla. I just got it at Metro. I feel like it's available probably anywhere, and I'm just gonna add some raspberries and blueberries because those are keto-friendly fruits. Who knew? I thought all fruits and vegetables were keto. Turns out that's a big no-no. There are tons of vegetables and fruits that I can't eat anymore. This is it. Cute little bowl, super simple to make. It's so delicious. And since I was out for a walk already and I did some errands, I feel like I deserve it. And I'm gonna go eat it outside on my pretty little balcony. Wow, it's really sunny. I'm gonna go out there and eat this. I also made these super simple fat bombs that I like pop in if I'm feeling really hungry. They're made with coconut oil, almond butter, and some, I think, finely chopped almonds. And it's so good. And I just pop them in the freezer and they're like the perfect little snack. Hey y'all, okay, so I'm preparing dinner and I honestly just grab whatever I feel like in the fridge. So I feel like this Light Life bacon, it's 100% plant-based. It's pretty low in carbs. As we see, we have 2 grams of carbs, so that ain't bad. And in terms of sugar, we have 0. So these are perfect, keto-friendly, vegan-friendly, overall carly-friendly. So I'm gonna be frying up some veggies as well, and I start by spraying my coconut oil, which I absolutely love. Like, nothing sticks. This is just like the best creation ever. So I'll start with that. Yeehaw. I'm gonna add in some green beans and some broccoli. So once they start sizzling, I'm gonna add some pepper and some turmeric just for some taste. As you can probably tell, I am no professional chef here, but we out here trying our best. And look how cute this spatula is. Yes, girl. Whoa. And with most dinners, I have a spinach salad with some tomatoes, maybe some cucumbers, and I always have this calorie-wise balsamic dressing that also only has 2 grams of carbs and low sugar, so also keto-friendly, which is great. And I'll just add that to my dinner for today. So this is my dinner tonight. I have my fried up veggies, my spinach salad with tomato and balsamic, and I have my plant-based bacon. I'm like obsessed with spinach right now, so I really piled her on, and I love my veggies, so there's quite a lot. So I'm gonna eat this now. Also, let me know if you have any questions or suggestions. I'm super new to keto, so I'm really trying some things out, and sometimes I don't even realize when I mess up, so it's all trial and error, and I'm excited to be here on this journey, you feel me? Last thing I'm gonna eat tonight, hopefully, I never know, I might wake up at 3 a.m. and binge eat everything in my fridge, but I'm gonna have these almond butter cookies that I made, strictly with almond butter and stevia and vegan butter. So I'm going to enjoy these. They're super good. They're like a little special treat. So I'm going to indulge, and that's it for today. Woo! So that is everything I eat in a typical day, being vegetarian, lactose-free, gluten-free, keto. I think I'm the most annoying person in the world. That's fine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment down below, have you tried the keto diet? Would you try the keto diet? What are your thoughts? What do you eat in a day? Yeah, just curious. Like this video if you liked it. And subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Mwah!